Hey guys, it's your local Hanny here. Welcome to my channel. And I recently just went to Spirit Halloween and I got this, the handbook for the recently deceased, if you don't know. It's from Beetlejuice, and I'm here with you guys to unbox it. Now let's get into the video. Just get the plastic off my keyboard. And if some of you people know Beetlejuice, I'm glad because I love it. Put your ratings for it in the comments. So yeah, just put the rating in. Just unboxing. If you're under about 7 years old, think you should talk to an adult before playing around with scissors. But whatever, because I'm 9. I'm just unboxing the crosbody handle thing. Trash that little scrap. Whatever the heck this is, put in the comments what you think this is. If you know what that is, I mean. So, yeah, just gonna put the bag together and y'all will put a rating in the comments. Okay, so just let me get this ready. So, you guys also, I want you to comment even more, so comment your favorite scene of Beetlejuice in the comments. Mine is the end where Lydia starts floating. So this is the finished product of the bag being unboxed. So yeah, tell me in the comments if you've ever been to Spirit Halloween, and probably go check this out because today's sponsor is Spirit Halloween.